Alright, we got the Slash on the bench today, boys. Hey there, guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Highway 49 RC. Today, we're going to be putting the new body kit on this guy. This is going to be like a two-part installation thing. I got a couple other parts also that I want to upgrade this guy with. Before we take it out, if you can't tell already, wheels are dirty. Yeah, I've already taken this thing out. Because I couldn't resist. I didn't film it because I just wanted to have fun by myself. You know, we all get that. So, I got a very special box today in the studio to open. And that is the body kit, as I've already said. So, here it is. I'm super excited. Grab the knife here. Open this guy up. So yeah, I'm really excited. I don't actually remember what all is in this box right here in front of me. I know there's a body. I know that there's front and rear bumpers. And I don't even remember what else. Alright, here we go. Alright, order form. Packaging. More packaging. Alright. This out here. Here we go, guys. Yep, that's right. I don't know if you can see. That's a sneak peek right there of this body. Aw, yeah. I got the pink body kit for the Traxxas Slash. Oh, man. This thing looks sexy. I love it. This thing is going to be so rad. We're going to save this for last, though. So you're going to have to make sure you turn into the second part of this upgrade sesh. So, that's amazing. I'm going to sticker it up, probably. Oh, man, this thing looks rad. In the end, maybe what I want to do is actually cut out this back here. And see how there's like these cage pieces there? I want to actually build those. I think that'd be super rad. It'd make it just look so sick, and it'd really strengthen the thing up a lot. So, let's put that off to the side, see what else we got. Alright, looks like we got some stickers, which are going to be sweet. Got Traxxas Race Replicas, Tamsoil, or not Tamsoil, Amsoil, or AMS oil. Torque Off-Road Championships. Some other cool stuff. So yeah, I'll probably end up putting a couple of these guys on. We got pink front bumper. Oh yeah, definitely. This thing's going to be really sweet. Kind of bright in here right now, so it's a little bit shiny, but pink front bumper. Got some body post things and the like. Got front and rear pink springs. This will actually give me a chance to check whether there's shock oil in there or not. I think that there is, but I'm not sure or certain. Pink wheelie bar. That's going to be pretty sweet also. I don't know if I'm actually going to use this wheelie bar or not, because it didn't seem like it wanted to wheelie too much. So I'm probably going to just leave this guy off for now. And then maybe put on later if I do need it when I go to a better brushless system. And pink front, or rear bumper, my bad. It's gonna be, this thing's gonna look so sweet when it's done. I actually can't even wait. I've got a couple other things here on the rack. Got some pink wheel nuts here. I had just gotten these separately, but the pink will look pretty sweet. It's really bright. I don't think you guys can really see that too great, but it's okay. Pink wheel nuts. Got Traxxas Valenion Esc cooler, or fan, my bad, because when I was running it, the ESC and motor were getting super hot, like ridiculously hot. So if you guys are getting the Traxxas Slash 4x4 or two-wheel drive and it's brushless, be sure you guys get a fan for both the ESC and the motor. The motor one here, got an Integy, yes. I know I just said the I word. This is all my local hobby shop had in stock, so I just bought it because I like to support my hobby shop, my local hobby shops, you know, so that'll be, looks like pretty simple. There's some extra wires on there. I'm not sure what that's for, yeah, so let's go ahead, get straight into it. Right, so I'm thinking that we start up here, up front with the front bumper. It's just 2 screws up here, directly here below my fingers, and 3 underneath on the skid plate. So this should be pretty quick to take off, and then you also have to use the pre-existing hardware. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Alright, I am seeing something. Look at this, guys. So, this bumper has 4 holes. You guys, I don't even know if you guys can see it. There you go. It's got 4 holes in it, right? Well, this one's got 3. I'd say that's a problem. Okay, you guys can't even see that. I'd say that's a problem, wouldn't you? Bro, this is a pain in the butt. Well, okay. We'll leave this till later. I'll update you guys about the bumpers later on. So, I guess what we're just going to do today, so this is no longer a 2-part deal, it's only 1 part, because these guys, not sure what the deal is with those, gonna have to look at them, but we can do the fans and the wheel nuts, so let's just go ahead and get started on that, I guess. Boy, that's sure a bummer. Yeah, that's a bummer. Alright, well, let's start with the Leon Esc Cooling Fan here. Pull this thing out, see what it's got to say. Okay, easy enough. Just clips on. Unplug these motor wires here. And then there's a plug on the side here that I'll pull out. Same here. Just push it out, looks like. Or maybe not. Oh, it's a clip. My bad. Okay. Pop out the little, this little guy from the side there. And then, I guess we're just gonna clip this down on there. Like this. Yeah. Okay. Alright, yeah, that's on there, definitely. It's definitely on there pretty good. Plug it in. Okay, motor one from G. Let's see, what do we got here? A single plug here, which looks like I'm gonna have to solder in. So, these guys here, these 2 little wires that you probably can't see, those guys, those 2 wires need to get soldered accordingly into this connector here, so that the fan, or the motor fans, are getting power also, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. Okay, so it took me about 5 minutes. All I did was I literally just tapped off this wire here. So this guy, this plug going down into the ESC is the original wire, and then I just tapped off this extension that was included with the fan here. So I'm just going to plug in, or re-plug in the fan for the ESC. And I'm actually going to use the little clip they have here for the wire. I'm just gonna, let's see, clip it on there. If I can get it. There we go. So that's nice. Holds the wire down for me. There you go. You guys can see a little bit better right there. It's that little clip. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna undo the little cable hold down for the motor, because it looks like it's going to get in the way. I'm not sure yet, but it looks like it's going to, so I'm going to take it off just for now. There we go. Now our motor wires for the Volunion are kind of pulled back a little bit. And then, oh my god, is this not going to fit either? Is it better? It's designed for this. Or maybe it's not. Alright, this has been a really unproductive day. Oh, wait. Wait. Wait for it. Hey, there we go. Got it. Nice. It barely fits on there, but it actually does fit. And it's actually kind of cool the way it's in there, so that's nice. I'm happy that it actually does work, so that we have something mildly successful about today. Jeez. Been kind of a downer. This is pretty uncommon here. I don't usually, this doesn't usually happen to me. Or like I usually get, you know, I usually end up with the right parts and everything, and I tend to always have everything, you know, but this is weird. Sorry about that, guys. I kind of overhyped it at the beginning there, because, you know, I thought, oh, this will be great, this will all work. Nope. So, I apologize. I don't like to overhype things, because I don't like when other people overhype things for me. So, it's like, oh yeah, this ride's gonna be great. Then it's just like lame. I don't like that, so I'm really sorry about that, guys. Just trying to finagle this guy back down in here. I guess I'm gonna put this guy along with it. Well, I guess. Yeah, I think it'll work. I think it'll still be okay. Let's get this guy down on there. Nice, there we go, got it. Kind of hold it down. Alright, yep, that's gonna be alright. Now I'll put this thing back on. Nice, it does work. Sweet. And then I guess, let's see, yeah, so these guys are going to come back and get plugged back into their appropriate spots over here. And these wires, I guess, alright, so I'll plug this in. And then these we're going to stick, guess I'm just going to bundle them up and kind of shove them down in there. Should be alright, I think. Actually, yeah, let me get a zip tie here real quick. I even have one, which I don't appear to. Interesting. Okay, well, it looks like I'm going to be using a big zip tie, because this is all I have right now. And I'm just going to zip tie it then to the motor wires, because that's the closest thing we got right now. And that's just going to be what works. Yeah, that works. That's pretty good. Alright. Tighten that down. I don't have my cutters in here, but I got my knife. I'll clip that with. Please cut. Oh, there we go. Alright, nicely done. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's gonna work. Hopefully these fans do indeed do their job pretty good. So let's go ahead and move on to the tires here, or on to the wheel nuts. Should be a pretty simple. Pretty simple installation, hopefully pretty quick also. So I'm just gonna probably time lapse this for you guys, because you know, they're just wheel nuts. You guys don't really want to see wheel nuts, do you? Nah, I didn't think so. Alright, there we go. Pink wheel nuts installed. I'll add a nice little bit of bling in there. Pretty, there you go. You can kind of see them in there. So I'll add a little bit of bling. They actually look a little more red to me than they do pink right now on the wheels because, you know, the wheels are red at the moment, which I think is okay. As for the springs, I might actually put these springs on a different truck. Actually, yeah, I'm going to keep these springs, and they'll probably end up somewhere else, because, you know, they're pink. I like pink, because I'm pretty sure, yeah, they're not going to work on these, GTR shocks, because they're just too big. So, anyway, I'm pretty sure that's all I have to add on here. Torque sticker on top, and then got the Traxxas one there on the front, not really fender, but kind of on the hood there. So yeah, I'm thinking this looks pretty good. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Sorry it was kind of an overhyped bummer, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it, but I guess I need to, when I'm getting parts, keep in mind that there's a 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive version of this truck. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell so you get notified of the running video of this guy. And also follow me over on my Instagram at highway49_RC. You'll be able to get behind the scenes kind of stuff like in my own life, like, I don't know, just like kind of random stuff, but you know, it's all good. So if you guys want to kind of check in on me and what I'm up to these days, be sure to go follow me over on the Instagram. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time.